Students, welcome to my computer class. My name is Roshan Shah, and today in this session we will discuss about computer basic programming with its introduction and features. Just we know two things here: introduction of QBasic and features of QBasic. Before knowing QBasic programming, we must need to understand about the basic level programming language. There are the different versions of the basic level programming language. Visual Basic, QBasic, C programming language, after that Turbo Basic, which is also called C, That means different types of basic language are provided in programming language. Before knowing QBasic, we need to know the definition of basic. Especially, basic programming language is available only for the students. It provides the students to design the simple programs. It provides the basic information to the computer. Programming, how to design, how to debug, how to codex. Simply, when you design the program, you have to follow the different contents. As for example, when we make the foods, we need different materials. How to make rice pudding? We need sugar, milk, rice, water. Similarly, in computer programming language, we need different types of the elements such as variable, constant, operator. These are words, mainly components which is required for the programs. Okay, the basic level programming language, that means QBasic or C programming language, provides the basic information into the computer. How to use variable declaration, how to use constant, what is operator, what is the function of our operator, what are the reserved words, many contents we have to know before doing the programs. C programming, similarly, QBasic programming, it is the top level programming than the QBasics. Especially C is the father of information technology. As you know, when we work by using the USB, when you are working by using the CD/DVD drive, AC machine which provides the air, simple computer operating system, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, simple language translators, compiler, interpreter, assembler. What are these? These are the system programs which can be designed by the basic level programming language, C programming. If you don't know the C programming, then IT cannot develop. In this time, we are talking to my friends from one country to other country very easily in short time periods. How? By using the C programs. So, before knowing the QBasic programming, you must need to know the basic programming language like C and QBasics. Basic programming language shows the way how to design the program, how to coding the program, how to debug the program, how to analyze the programs. Then only you can do work on C, C++, Oracle, Visual Basic, Java. Before QBasic programming, there were also two programmings were available. One is BCPL, other is B. This basic programming is the combination feature of BCPL and B. Okay, let's solve this. It is the old version programming language. And QBasic and C programming is the combination features of BCPL and B programming language. If anybody can ask the question, sir, what is the full form of BCPL? Basic Combined Programming Language. What is the full form of B? B is alone letters. Okay, why it is named C? You can also write E because after B there will be C in the alphabets of A, B, C, D to Z. So it is C programming language. Okay, so C is the father of IT. It is the main source of IT. It plays a vital role into the information technology. Let's discuss about the introduction to computers now. QVC. Simply, it is very important tutorial for basic students, the person which want to know the basic information about the programming language. First of all, QVC. What is QVC? Simply, first of all, you must need to know the full form of the QVC. QVC full form: quick, bigness, all purpose, symbolic, instruction, code. This is the full form of QVC. Suppose you are going to the market and many school systems are available and can ask the question, do you know about the full form? It is very simple. Quick, bigness, all purpose, symbolic, instruction, code. This is the full form. Many questions can create it. Other, what is QVC? It is a type of high-level programming language. Programming language which provides the basic information. How to rewrite the program, how to coordinate the program. It is especially for the students how to do program. Okay. Number 3. Who invented QVC? QVC is invented by John G. Kemeny. John G. Kemeny. This is the short form of. This is the short full form. The full form is G stands for judge. And Thomas Eckert Kurtz. Thomas E. Kurtz. We can also say Thomas E. Kurtz, which stands for E stands for Eckert. Okay. First thing, full form of QVC with bigness, all purpose symbolic instruction code. It is a high level programming language. Many programming languages are the high level programming language, and QVC is the most popular one of the programming language in all the programming languages. Invented by the John G. Kemeny and Thomas Eckert Kurtz. Both scientists are invented QVC programming language in which date? 1985 AD. From here, number 1 by Microsoft Corporation. Microsoft Corporation in USA. Okay. This is the simple introduction. What is QVC? Who invented? When invented? From where? Microsoft Corporation invented this programming language. Okay. Now we'll discuss about the features. First of all, when we set the programs, when we create the programs, then we have to use the different types of codes. Codes means instruction. Codes means character. Codes means alphabets. Codes means symbols. Okay. When we set the program, then we have to set the program by using .bas. One question is created. What is BAS? Students, first of all, you must need to think about the file name. File name means when you do the program. Simply, when you work on Microsoft Word, then when you save the file, then you have to save the file by using two names. One is the primary name, and other is the secondary name. Primary names, you can use any name. Name, file name 1, file name 2, biodata, date of birth, any names. But when you use the secondary name, which is the unique, which cannot be changed. The .bas is the secondary name. Just like as I have taken the excellent example. In our world, many different types of the persons. Some persons extension title are Jha, Das, Yadav, Sauji. That means these are the titles which indicates the caste of the person. Simply in computer programming, .bas informs that this hierarchy is related to basic programs. Now we'll discuss about the features of the programming, basic programming, okay? The second is features of QBasic programming. Sir, I want to give some information. I'm a teacher, and when I'm teaching, then many students and teachers are asking the question, sir, what is the role of QBasic programming? By QBasic programming, we cannot do anything. It is a useless program. That concept is wrong. That means they don't know about the QBasic advantage of the QBasic. If you cannot use any other programs when you don't know the QBasic programming. So the first feature of QBasic, it is easy to write and understand. These are the first features. Easy to write. That means it is simply, we can write simply, we can maintain simply the program by using the QBasic program. It can be easily modified. Easily modified. It is very easy to modify. A big program can be divided into small modules, or parts. This is most important, 3 numbers. It is related to modular programming, which we will discuss later. A big program can be divided into small modules or parts. That means different parts. Number 4, it supports local and global variables. It supports local and global variables. Now we are going to discuss about what is local variable and what is global variable. Students, when we design the program, then we have to use the variable. In simply, you all are knowing the variable. Variable is the most popular elements of programming language. Not only QBasic. We are talking about all programming languages. Without variable, we cannot store. Because variable is an entity which can be changed during the execution of programs. It occupies the space. In programming language, without variable, we cannot store the values. When you create the variable, it creates the index into the memory. So there are 2 types of variable. Local, just for it works under functions. It just works under functions. And second is the global variable, which works whole program. That means it access whole program. Whole program means if one program contains 6 functions, then global variable support 6 functions. But when you use the local variable, then a program which contains 10 functions, then the local variable works only in that functions where the local variable is declared. Now, number 4, it supports different statements such as if statement, if else statement, looping statement, it is okay. After designing the program, then this program support the different types of statements. Some statements are called control structures. Control structure can be divided into two categories. One is the branching structure, and the other is called looping structure. Okay. The QBasic program support both statements. Now in mode statement select case, switch case, extract, go to statement, that means file handling, different types of statements which support the QBasic programs. Number 6, it supports submodule and function module. Next thing, when you work on QBasic programming, then it is related to class 10. We discuss in detail in next tutorial. Just you have to know that it supports both modules. Whereas C programming supports only one module, that is called the functions modules. Okay, the submodule and function module QBasic programming supports. And number 6, that is it is used to apply graphics, sounds, image, etc. Not only this is related to graphics programming QBasic. When we design the program, then another part is the graphics programming. By the help of graphics programming, we can design the different types of graphics like games. Just games, we can design the games. We can design the different types of the programs by using the graphics designing. Okay, by like the sound, music, image, etc. Okay, these are the features of the QBasic. Okay, in this tutorial we have discussed about introduction to QBasic and features of QBasic. In next session we will discuss about the element of QBasic. Okay, yes, thank you.